What's up guys? Today I've got my hands on the XREAL One. These are a pair of AR glasses, so they are basically a pair of monitors you wear on your eyes for some big screen entertainment and media consumption. The new One model is pretty jam-packed with some impressive features, and a quote from their own website: "This is the biggest upgrade for AR glasses since XREAL experienced 3DOF like never before." So I simply can't wait to test these out, but first, roll the intro. Now let's start off with price. You can pick up the XREAL One AR glasses for £449 or $449 US. Now inside the box you will find a user manual, a braided Type-C to Type-C charging cable. We got nose pads of different sizes, so you got small and large, and the medium one is already fitted to the glasses. This comes with a rather nice premium quality protective case, and last but certainly not least, the AR glasses themselves. So here are the XREAL One. Now in case you're wondering what these actually do, well, the XREAL One AR glasses are basically a home cinema monitor that you wear on your face, giving you a massive 147-inch 120Hz display and access to a world of entertainment, movies, games and videos that you can enjoy anywhere you like. Now you could be commuting on the plane, the bus or the train and be watching your favorite entertainment on these smart glasses. Furthermore, these AR glasses do not have built-in battery, so they're actually completely powered by the tethered device, be it your phone, your tablet, your computer, or even your game console. And it's simply plug and play. As long as your device that you're connecting to supports Type-C display out, these glasses will work on them. So no complicated setup, simply plug and play. Okay, now let's talk design. The glasses themselves have an interesting design. They look like a pair of regular shades, but with inner screens. They look quite minimalistic with no visible branding and a nice matte black finish. And these do also provide 100% UV protection. On the inside right temple, you can see it says XREAL One, and there is no other branding anywhere else on these glasses, which is kind of nice. And over here you can see the medium-sized nose pad attached by default, but you can swap these out for other sizes should you need to. You have a multifunctional red button on the frame, and I'll show you what that does in a bit. And you have a larger black button which looks like a volume rocker, but it's actually a brightness rocker. You can see a speaker grill on either side, and the sounds have actually been professionally tuned by Bose to give you an immersive sound. So all the controls are on the right side of the temple at the bottom. But you also have one button at the top right temple, and that is a custom button which you can customize within the settings menu, and I will show you that in a few moments. But first, let's talk specifications. The XREAL One features Sony 0.68-inch micro OLED displays, giving you 1080p at 120Hz per eye and up to 600 nits of peak brightness with a 50-degree field of view and precise true-to-life color accuracy. These AR glasses are powered by XREAL's own X1 spatial computing chip, giving you a super smooth experience no matter what you are doing with them. They also feature native 3DOF, which stands for degrees of freedom, and you have 4 modes that you can play around with. You've got anchor mode, which allows you to fix the screen anywhere in the room, and you can watch your content like the image is fixed on the wall. The second mode is follow mode, where the screen will gently follow your gaze, so the screen will always be there in front of you no matter which direction you are looking in. Then you have ultra wide mode, which will stretch the screen, giving you a 310-inch curved display, which is absolutely breathtaking experience. There is also a side view mode where you can pin the screen to the side for a better view of the real world. In case you're having a conversation with someone but you still want to watch your content, you can do that with these glasses. And you also have TUV Rhineline certifications for eye comfort, high visibility, color accuracy and low blue light. Furthermore, from within settings you can also adjust the IPD to suit. So how do they work? Let me give you a very quick setup demo. You simply connect these glasses with the included Type-C cable to your smartphone. This will work on most phones that support display out via Type-C. So in my case, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and as soon as you connect them, you will see your entire phone screen mirrored with access to all the apps on the phone. And being a Samsung phone, I could also open up Samsung Dex to give me the big screen mobile PC experience when I need it. Now the picture quality and the clarity is really good. I'm especially impressed with the colors, they really do pop, and the brightness is also looking really nice. I can definitely say without a shadow of a doubt, these AR glasses produce the best quality image I have ever seen in this product category. So let me try and give you a taste of what this thing can do. I'm just going to play a whole bunch of trailers. Here we go.
So just to be clear, we're not in this story?
There's a lot of stories with all of us. Tell one of those. Long been told that
Show me your phone without the name of people now the house.
friends of yours?
I don't have many friends.
Me neither.
Or your heart.
Shadow is far beyond anything we've ever encountered. Shadow's story began a lot like yours, son.
And you can also play your favorite Android games like COD Mobile on a massive big screen display. Check out some gameplay.
Enemy down! Reloading, cover me. Lost the lead. Target down! Get down, sniper!
UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Predator missile on standby.
Target in sight! Tango down!
Now you can also connect your favorite console including PlayStation 5, but you need an optional adapter sold separately. It's an XREAL HDMI to USB-C adapter. So connect the glasses to the Type-C cable into the adapter and then connect the PS5's HDMI into the HDMI port side of the adapter. And also, for this to work, before you connect anything up, go into your PS5 settings and switch off HDCP. As soon as you do that and you connect the cables up, the PlayStation 5 menus will immediately appear in your glasses. So 1080p supported and HDCP is switched off. So let's just play a PS5 game and see how it plays. Let's start off with Astro Bot. Okay, so we're going to quickly go over the controls and menus. If you press the brightness rocker, you can increase or decrease the brightness as required. If you long press either side of the brightness rocker, you'll be able to switch between the transparencies. And there are 3 levels to choose from. Level 1 allows you to see your surroundings and watch your content at the same time. Level 2 darkens the surroundings slightly, but still transparent enough for you to see what's going on around you. And Level 3 totally darkens the background, giving you a home cinema style viewing effect with no distractions at all. So there's 3 levels. That's Level 1. Level 2 is a bit darker, and Level 3 is pitch black dark. Theater mode. I like that. Now if you double press the small red menu button, it will bring up the on-screen menu with lots of features you can tweak and play around with. So you have display settings, sound settings, shortcut button can be customized, other, where you got tutorial, sensor collaboration, language settings, and so on and so forth. Under display, so you press the red button again to make a selection. Screen size, so let's go and have a look what we can do here. So screen size can go up to 477 inches, which is crazy. We're just going to bring it back down. Go back. Okay, screen distance. So it's currently set to 10 meters, but you can have that screen much closer to you if you want to. But if you don't want to be too close, you can go as far as 10 meters virtually from the screen. You've got ultra wide mode. It's going to be hard for me to show you what this looks like. As you can see, the screen is much wider than before. It's just really tricky for me to show you this using my mobile phone. Okay, next option you have is 3D mode. So you can play your side-by-side 3D files directly from your phone, for example. You've got stabilizer, brightness enhancement. You've got something called side view. So when you tap on it, you can see the screen has gone small and has gone to the far left. Side view position can also be changed. You navigate the menus using the brightness up and down buttons and make selections with the red menu buttons. And you can back out of the menu by double pressing the red button again. Now these glasses do not have an internal battery. They are completely powered by the device you connect them to. So with my S24 Ultra, I was easily achieving between 6 to 7 hours of battery life. So depending on which device you connect this to, you can achieve a pretty decent battery life. So there you have it, guys. That was the XREAL One. Now my first experience of AR glasses was actually with this brand, XREAL. I tried their very first AR glasses and I still have them, and since that time many companies have launched their own versions. But after testing XREAL's latest model, the XREAL One, it's safe to say these are without any doubt the best pair of AR glasses I have ever used. Now the picture quality from the Sony micro OLED displays are crystal clear, bright, and the colors are breathtaking. Now I have gamed on this using the XREAL HDMI adapter, which let me connect my PS5, and the experience was amazing. PS5 gaming on a screen which is nearly 150 inches right in front of you, no lag or latency issues, and I was playing Black Ops 6 multiplayer online and the experience was mind-blowing. Now if we talk about the audio quality, sound is loud and proud, powerful sound, professionally tuned by Bose. I'm really liking the audio quality. Movies, games and videos all sound pretty sick on this unit. Now with all of that being said, if you have any questions or anything specific you want me to test, do let me know in the comments. Meanwhile, if you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.